A jolt and then you'll die.
Zune Lotoo Annihilate F1 multifunctional shovel is made under 20 procedures. With its over 10 professional functions for outdoor, it is suitable for military, field survival, and rescue. Its V-shaped design won the Spring Cool Design Award. Austenitic magnet steel can easily cut wire without a scratch, even for the thick trunks. You can rapidly lock the angle of the shovel that you expect. The handle is designed and stacked a diamond-shaped node, which can bear a 80 kg man standing on it. Multifunctional knife, bottle opener are very helpful for outdoor survival, such as cut-off ropes or open bottles. With fire stick, it is easy to make fire in the wild. You'll need a gear to go outdoor.
To introduce you to our brand new multi-tool, the EST Shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it.
This is a Zune Lotoo Annihilate military shovel. Made for more than 20 processes. With 15 functions, it's suitable for military and survival rescue. The shovel surface is made with the 3rd generation fine-grained casting technology, which has amazing strength with a built-in high-polymer anti-skid sleeve. Inner oblique line axe edge design. Slashing penetration increased by 45%. The induction temperature at the blade edge reaches 1300 degrees centigrade. The effective hardness is HRC 60. Cutting edge design with a high sharp angle, forming an inner curved blade for cutting. Make it easy to destroy objects with fibers. 6-speed shift key design. No need to remove lever handle. Press the shift key lightly. Multi-angle adjustment of shovel surface can come true. Agility like a part of the arm. 3D, 3-dimensional casting. The thickness reaches to 1.3 centimeter, like backs of the human body. It can easily support the weight of an adult. The second lever is equipped with tactical assault knife, which is Bowie knife type design. It is made from X155 CRV MO121 steel, produced by the Ruhr Industrial Zone in Germany. Extremely sharp. The third lever is equipped with rescue whistle, used for warning, distressing, and scaring beasts. The tail handle is equipped with a German fire rod. You can fire with the sawtooth of the tactical knife. The temperature produced by instantaneous friction can reach 1000 degrees, which is enough to ignite a fire switch.
Today at CRKT, we're showing you the Trencher Tactical Spade. This is a monster tool with a lot of options for getting heavy-duty work done. The 3-position shovel head features an aggressive sharp saw on one side and a beveled edge for cutting and chopping on the other. The steel tip on the shovel plate is reinforced and designed to pry with. It adds a layer of strength to the tip while digging, so if you hit some gravel and rocks and stuff, this tip can take it all. The trencher's ergonomic handle is made of tough polypropylene and steel, and the deep ridges offer a solid grip for every scenario you may encounter and all weather conditions. The tool has a threaded locking collar to secure the shovel into position. Here's how that works. This is where you tighten or loosen the collar, and you can set the spade head at a 90-degree angle, and you can see that this collar locks the plate securely in place. Now you can also close the trencher spade head and slide it into the nylon sheath that snaps easily over the blade and protects the tool for travel. This tool was designed for compact utility, and the trencher fulfills upon this promise in a very aggressive package. At 3 pounds and 6 ounces and as tough as nails, the trencher is ready for duty.
Zune Lotoo Crotalus multifunctional shovel is made under 20 procedures, which shovel face adopts a precise foundry technology. It is suitable for military, field survival, and rescue. The shovel face with magnetic steel is bigger than others. The blade is crunched at 1,300 degrees. It can easily cut wire without a scratch. The independently developed 6-position shifted keys can make the shovel toward your expected angle in one step. There are several aluminum rods embedded polymer anti-slip rubber sleeve, and the length of the rods is about 62 centimeters. That can be a defensive stick, multifunctional knife. Bottle opener is very helpful for outdoor survival, such as cut of ropes or open battles. With a fire stick, it is easy to make fire in the wild.
The latest evolution of United Cutlery's best-selling M48 lineup is the M48 Tactical Shovel, made of tempered 2CR13 stainless steel with a black oxide coating for a non-reflective appearance. The rock-solid shovel features sharpened edges culminating into a piercing point. One side of the shovel has a partially serrated edge for sawing applications, while the other side has a concave bevel for chopping. The M48 shovel features a 30% fiberglass reinforced nylon handle that's almost indestructible. Designed with ultimate survival in mind, the M48 Tactical Entrenchment Shovel is perfect for camping and outdoor use, light chopping, or even as a defensive weapon in an emergency situation. This is the M48 Tactical Shovel, only from United Cutlery.
Zune Lotoo Smilodon's multifunctional shovel is made under 20 procedures, which shovel face adopts precise foundry technology. It is suitable for military, field survival, and rescue. A special design got a lot of utilitarian mounted patterns and appearance patterns. Because of foundry technology, the stiffening rib is stronger, which can strengthen whole shovel face. The blade is crunched at 1,300 degrees. It can easily cut wire without scratch. Bowie knife, even for the thick trunks. The independently developed 6-position shifted keys can make the shovel toward your expected angle in one step. Multifunctional knife. Bottle opener is very helpful for outdoor survival, such as cut out ropes or open battles. With a fire stick, it is easy to make fire in the wild. You'll need gear to go outdoor.
This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 Telescoping Folding Shovel, a versatile EDC shovel designed to support both outdoor and tactical communities. The SCH-SH1 both folds for easy storage and telescopes to its full length of over 19 inches. With a concave shovel blade forged from rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled, sharpened edges, the covert black tool serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. To deploy the shovel, rotate the locking collar counterclockwise, then swivel the blade to the fully open position. Lock the blade into place by turning the locking collar clockwise until the locking washer snugs. Use caution at all times as the shovel blade's edges are sharp. The handle's aluminum inner tube expands to any one of 5 positions. Use your thumbs to disengage the handle lock. Slide the molded polypropylene all-weather T-handle to the desired length and lock into position by pressing down on the Schrade logo of the handle lock. Use the SCH SH1 telescoping folding shovel to dig holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. The steel striking surface can be used to pound tent stakes. Loosen the locking collar and reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle for digging furrows or scraping tree bark. To sheath, fully collapse both the handle and blade. Then slide the tool into its black nylon belt sheath where twin snaps secure the blade. Double loops on the back side of the sheath let you carry the SCH SH1 either on your belt or attached to gear. A versatile EDC and tactical shovel weighing only 2 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH SH1 telescoping folding shovel.